Today we will make teaching plan for class 4th, subject English. Lesson number 14, never lose hope. So let's start making teaching plan. At the top there will be 4 columns: date, class, subject, time will be mentioned. Below that, learning outcome. The child is able to give instructions in English. They can read simple short stories from the textbooks and short simple sentence from the other reading materials. Topic: never lose hope. Required material: textbook, available material in Diksha app, chart, picture of related topic. Never lose hope. Teaching learning process. It consists of 4 columns: serial number, steps, time, assessment. Under these steps, in the starting of teaching, the teacher encourages the children to speak in English by asking pre-knowledge questions of related topic. Teacher says, today we will read a very good story of Anmol. But before that, tell me, what should you do when you get fail in any work? Should you lose hope in difficult times? It takes around 5 minutes. Children's response and teacher's observation will be written in the assessment column. In the middle of the teaching, teacher will tell the story of Anmol, never lose hope, in Hindi with a proper assets and body language. During the story, teacher will ask some questions in between to ensure interest and understanding of the student. Teacher will read aloud the story from the book and explain it to the students. In between, she write difficult words and its meaning on the board. After explaining the lesson, activity will be done. In activity, teacher take the students in the class or in the ground where the students make a circle and teacher stand in center and all sing a song, हिम्मत हारे मत बैठो. जीवन में कुछ करना है तो मन को मारे मत बैठो. In the end of teaching, teacher asks questions related to the story like, how old was Anmol? Why was Anmol upset? What was ant carrying? What lesson did Anmol learn from the ant? Teacher will ask the children to copy the difficult words from board. It takes 5 minutes. Observation should be written in the assessment column. Homework: word power, race, sports, clapped, hope. Fill-ups will be given. Students will be doing homework. Next, teaching process. Teacher will be continue to work on the chapter next day also and cover all the questions and answers from it. Some activities may be done in small groups. Thank you.